Hello from Santa Clara. I'm Siddharth Sharma from the NVIDIA developer team, and I'm here to give you a preview of some of the deep learning sessions at GTC Silicon Valley. This session from Google will show how to improve efficiency of AI model deployment using TensorFlow with TensorRT. Here, Azure will present how Kubeflow, an open source project, builds portable machine learning pipelines to help data scientists focus their efforts on creating great AI solutions instead of setting up and managing infrastructure. Here, Tencent presents how to train ImageNet for object detection and classification in just 4 minutes. Next, NVIDIA shares how inference can be run at lower precisions to reduce memory footprint and elapsed time for image and natural processing tasks. You'll learn about both floating point and integer quantizations, targeting features in Volta and Turing GPUs. In this session with Sumit Chantala from Facebook AI Research, you'll learn about new capabilities for distributed training included in the 1.0 release of PyTorch, allowing researchers and developers to easily parallelize computations across processors and clusters of machines. I invite you on behalf of our team to attend these and many more interesting sessions at GTC. To see a full list of all the AI and deep learning sessions, visit nvidia.com/GTC.